Wait! That was hello in elephant speak. Allow me to introduce myself. I am the African elephant, and I live here in Africa. We African elephants are also known for our tusks. They can be straight or curved. You must be wondering about my big ears, aren't you? My ears are known to look like the map of Africa. What do you think? And I use them to chase flies away. And when the sun is very strong, I use them to keep cool. And for when I want to look a bit scarier, watch this. Well, most time it works. Anyway, you see this? It's called a trunk. It's a long nose, and oh boy, the things we can do with it. We can smell, we can touch, we can bring food and water to our mouths, take a shower or powder ourselves with sand. Elephants live in groups called herds, and my mommy is the leader. Here they come now. When I grow up, I want to be like Mommy and lead my own herd. But until then, I better join the group. That's goodbye in elephant speak.